Hello, my name is Marlene Rocio. In this moment, I am going to explain 3 consonant sounds from the IPA alphabet. This course is English phonetics. Next, 3 consonant sounds are To continue, I explain the place and the manner of articulation of a consonant sound L. The place of articulation is alveolar. The manner of articulation is lateral. The sound L, like you can see the pictures, this picture, L is alveolar and lateral. L. The articulators of the vocal tract that produce these sounds are hard palate, alveolar ridge, the tongue, and the principal part is larynx. Why? Because the consonant L is voiced. If you feel a vibration, the consonant is a voiced one. Date. The sound L is divided into 2 distinct sounds, light and dark. Both sounds have the tip tone is in contact with the alveolar ridge. For example, the word little. Here you can hear this sound and this sound when I start the words and when they finish the words. Listen to me, please. Little, little. In this part, the difference between 2 sounds from the position of the back of the tongue. You can see this picture, light and dark. Now, I have 2 exercises. In this exercise, listen to me, please. I like to learn language. Again, listen to me, please. I like to learn language. In this exercise, the sound is like. Okay? The second exercise, listen to me, please. Call the tall girl. Again, call the tall girl. This sound is hard. Okay? Now, next. This sound is the place and the manner of articulation is labiodental fricative. Okay, why? You can see this picture. The sound F is labiodental and fricatives. Now, the articulators of the vocal tract that produce this sound are teeth and lips. Lips. The consonant sound is voiceless. Why? Here, there isn't vibration in the throat whatsoever. Exercise. First exercise. Listen to me, please. I have 5 knives and 4 forks. Okay, look at tongue twister. Okay, again. I have 5 knives and 4 forks. Okay? In the second exercise, listen to me, please. Will you phone before you visit the farm? Okay, again. Will you phone before you visit the farm? Okay, the best. Now, the consonant sound. No but yes. Okay? The place of articulation is bilabial, and the manner of articulation is nasal. When we make this sound, if you close the nose, you don't produce these sounds. Okay? These sounds, you can see this picture is better explained. The articulators of the vocal tract that produce this sound are the principal, nasal cavity, lips, and larynx. Why? Because the consonant sound M is voiced. You can feel this sound vibrate on the throat to vibrate. Okay? You can feel this sound vibrate. Okay, I have 2 exercises. Listen to me, please. My mom sings romantic music. Okay, again. My mom sings romantic music. Okay, it's better. Second exercise. Where is the man's name? Okay, again, more quickly. Where is the man's name? Okay, again. Where is the man's name? Okay. Okay, this song is more easy. Okay. Okay, this is all for you, and thank you very much for your time.